Hi, this is Byron with Survival Frog, and this week on our product development desk, we're playing around with a really cool product. It is the BioLite Solar Kit, and it comes in this little box here, but it is packed full of things. It actually has everything needed to complete your solar kit. So you got your solar panel, your lights, even your control panel. And the instructions that come with it are really easy to follow, very clear. There's a 1-year warranty on it. Of course, Survival Frog puts 3 years on it, so you've got 3 full years to return it. And of course, we have our 6-month any reason refund guarantee as well. But you're going to want to keep this one. This is really cool. So I played around with this weekend and had a lot of fun with this. Kids loved it. So let me go over that. This right here is the main control panel. So this is the battery unit as well as inverter and the whole control. So you can toggle through and you've got a display screen here. You've got radio, AM and FM. You've got this light here and obviously more lights coming. And then the display will show you how much battery you have left, which I love, 7 hours to empty. It will also show you your level of solar power intake, which is nice. Now this is our solar panel right here. Now this solar panel right here is 6 watts, so it's not the biggest solar panel, but it is compact, easy to move around. And if you want, you can plug in bigger solar panels. Now this guy right here, just so you know, tough as nails. You have it outside, we dropped it, it was fine. It obviously does great in rain, hailstorms, doesn't matter. But if you want to, you could hook up a larger solar panel in this port right here. So say you have 20 watt or something like that solar panel, you can hook that up to this port right here. Normally that one though comes back and hooks in right here. And then you've got 2 ports for your output as far as the lights. And we have 3 lights off of these 2 cords. Another great feature is you can charge your cell phones with this. So there's actually 2 USB ports here. And the 1 battery charge will charge 3 cell phones, okay? So plenty of power in here. In fact, with the lighting system, all the lights have low, medium, and high. But if you have it on medium light and you have all the lights on, this battery will charge them or keep them lit for 14 hours, which is crazy. So long life there. And again, you can play your radio. There's even a SD card here. If you have favorite music or favorite album you want to put in there, you can listen to that there too. So this is the lighting system, as you can see. So 1 port's coming out here to these lights. Each one of the lights has a light switch. So in their little holes, so you can actually drill this into the wall and you've got a permanent light switch. So you've got low, medium, and high. And of course the next light streams right along here and comes over here. And each of the kits comes with nails and wire to secure the solar panel. Also comes with little tags for the wires. So you can use these to nail the wire against the wall. Let's say if you're just nailing it over here, okay? And that way it keeps the wires out. And then lastly, a phone adapter, 4 little ports so you can charge any cell phone. Each of the lights comes with a nice little hook. And really cool system. Now this last light I really like, it's our security light. So if there's no movement over 30 seconds, then the light will turn off. As soon as someone walks into the room or within 15 feet, it turns on, which is great. So that way, you know someone's walking into your camp or your cabin or whatever, you got a light that comes on, great security. This also has a light switch, so you can turn this one low, medium, high, and it will stay on, or 1 more, and that's your security light, okay? Really is a neat little package. And again, this diagram is a great explanation of how to set it up. Really easy to set up and really cool unit. So check it out on our website. And of course, any questions, let us know. We're always here to help you. Thanks for shopping at Survival Frog.